Imagine waking up to a silent Earth. No wind, no whispers, only eerie stillness. The atmosphere is gone overnight. Above you, endless black replaces the sky. Stars glitter where clouds once floated. Day feels like night. The shield that protects us is gone. Radiation waits to strike. Our lungs scream for air. Breathing? Impossible. Every inhale is empty. Survival shrinks to seconds. The blue sky? Erased in moments. No sunsets, no clouds, no comfort. Only void above. Stars blaze in daylight. The universe stares back at us. Earth feels exposed. The sun burns unfiltered. Blinding, merciless, raw. Shadows vanish in harsh light. Ozone gone, danger unleashed. Invisible rays scorch skin. The countdown to death begins. Humanity gasps for survival. Panic spreads instantly. Fear drowns the world. What happens next will shock you. The end has already begun, and it's unstoppable. Our atmosphere is a delicate shield. It wraps Earth in a protective glow. Without it, life is impossible. It traps oxygen we breathe. It filters radiation from the sun. It keeps Earth alive. Without it, Earth turns hostile, a barren rock floating in space, like a dead world. The moon is our warning. Gray, lifeless, unprotected. A mirror of Earth's possible fate. No air means no life. No shield means no safety. Earth becomes alien to us. Humans need it for every breath. Every inhale is borrowed time. Atmosphere makes us alive. Plants depend on it too. Photosynthesis fuels our food chain. Without air, plants die. Weather exists because of it. Winds, storms, and rain come alive. Without it, eternal stillness. Silence takes control. No storms, no clouds, no sound. Only emptiness rules. The atmosphere was our stage. Without it, the play is over. Disaster takes center stage. Within seconds, oxygen vanishes. The air we trusted is gone. Survival time shrinks to moments. Every human gasps in panic. Throats burn with emptiness. Breaths turn into screams. In less than a minute, suffocation begins. Lungs collapse under pressure. Life drains away fast. Birds drop from the sky. Wings freeze in mid-flight. Nature itself crashes. Airplanes stall without oxygen. Engines choke and die. Metal giants fall like stones. Cars stop on highways. Engines silent. Roads frozen. Movement disappears in seconds. Fires cannot survive either. Flames vanish instantly. The world goes dark. An eerie silence spreads. No engines, no barges, no wind. Just haunting stillness. Panic erupts in every city. Chaos replaces order. The fight for breath begins. In seconds, survival is impossible. The countdown has ended. Humanity is out of air. The blue sky is erased. Its calm beauty vanishes. Darkness replaces daylight. Above us lies a star-filled void. The universe is fully exposed. Daytime feels like midnight. Even at noon, the galaxy shines. Constellations pierce the darkness. Earth looks lost in space. The sun blazes unfiltered. Its fire burns our skin. Shadows dissolve in its rage. No clouds bring comfort. No sunsets paint the sky. Only endless emptiness remains. The light turns harsh and deadly. Every ray strikes unfiltered. Our planet is naked. Radiation pours mercilessly down. Invisible rays pierce our bodies. Skin burns in minutes. Without ozone, protection is lost. The sky becomes a weapon. We stand defenseless. Temperatures swing wildly apart. Freezing cold on one side, burning heat on the other. Overnight, Earth feels alien. Our home transforms into a stranger. Survival is no longer ours. Within minutes, billions suffocate. Lives end before they can react. The world falls silent. Technology crumbles instantly. Machines breathe air too. Engines die without warning. Satellites lose their orbit. Without drag, they plummet. Fiery wreckage rains down. Electric grids shut down. Cities drown in darkness. The age of light ends. Governments scramble in chaos. Leaders face the impossible. Hope fades from their eyes. Panic spreads like wildfire. Desperation fuels riots. Civilization collapses in fear. Cities descend into silence. Lights gone, voices vanished. Only shadows remain. Humanity is powerless. No air, no fire, no future. Extinction feels certain. There is no time left. No chance to adapt. The end arrives fast. Civilization ends overnight. Earth stands lifeless and bare. Our home is no more.